Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be answering another frequently asked question on calculator used for ACT math. So this question goes like this. It says, what are the best Casio calculator tricks for ACT math? Okay, to answer this question, there are a couple of best Casio calculator tricks for ACT math. My my top 5 include using equation mode. Yeah, in the equation mode you can solve simultaneous equation, quadratic equation, and even exponential equation too. We also have uh, under equation mode, which I mentioned, solve simultaneous equations, solve quadratic and cubic equations. Yes, okay. So we also have, you can use it to convert fraction to decimal, okay, easily. I can also use it to solve statistical problems in ACT. It can do statistical calculations for you. Okay, so these are some of the problems you can solve with the Casio calculator for ACT maths. Alright, so in some cases it can also solve some word problems, I think so. Okay, depending on the version of the Casio you're using, it can also graph problems, solve graphical problems depending on the version of the Casio you are using. But I prefer, if you ask me to choose for you the version of Casio, I would prefer that you go for the uh, if you want the one that has a graphing feature, then you should go for Casio FSCG 50 graphing calculator. I have videos on how to use that calculator for algebra problems. But if you if you're not that concerned with graphing feature, then I recommend you go for Casio FS and our ES Classics. Okay, that will serve you better. Okay, so that will be all for this video. If you want to um, get practical lesson videos on using this calculator, come to my playlist. You see there was playlists on Casio calculator for algebra, and choose the one that has to deal with the version of Casio calculator you have, and go through the videos there. You'll be glad you did. Okay, so that'll be all for this video. I'll see you in the next video.